Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to open a Marcus account quickly on your phone? Following these steps to get started. First of all, head over to your app store, then search for the Marcus app. After that, download it from there. Once downloaded, open the app and then tap open an account or sign up. After that, you have to pick what you want to do. Then you're gonna enter your personal information, full name, date of birth, address, and social security number. Then verify your email or phone number with the code sent to you. Open Gmail. If you have entered Gmail, open the Gmail app, look for the code. If you don't find it, then search it in the spam folder or your junk folder. Sometimes they glitch and end up over there. And if you've entered your phone number, check SMS for the verification code. And then once you get the code, put it in the Marcus app. After that, verify your email or phone number. After that, accept the terms and conditions, then tap create account. Once your account is created, you can start managing your Marcus saving and loans directly from the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.